Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy link to a document in the Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First we have to open up the Google Docs app. And here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just have to find a document that we want to share. Then we tap on the three dots in the top right corner, then share and export, then copy link. And now the link that leads to this document has been copied, and we can just send it to the person that we want to share it with. Before or after that we can manage access to the document as well, so the person who we sent the link to actually has access to the document. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.